Here we are. We're just moments away from loading up our 2007 EZGO ST Sport 2 gas-powered golf cart that we just finished. And so we wanted you guys to take a look at it before we send it up to the guy who bought it from us. So this thing started off as a project that we took in from one of our donors, and it was smoking out of the tailpipe real bad. And what we were hoping was that it was an issue with a faulty fuel pump. Let's take a look at that now, as a matter of fact. Okay, so here's where the motor sits. It's a 2-cylinder, and originally this was a Subaru engine. It's since been replaced with a rebuilt motor. If you can take a look at this right here, this is our fuel pump that runs off of pressure from the crankcase. And our hope was that when we found oil in the carburetor, it was because this guy had failed, and so it was sending oil up through the tube and then into the carburetor through this fuel line, but that proved not to be the case. In fact, that engine needed to be rebuilt altogether. And so we took the old motor out and we mailed it to CT Rebuilds in South Carolina, and then a week later they sent that fresh rebuild that we have now. We put some lights on it, okay, so we got that. We put a winch on it, that's pretty cool, a new front bumper. We also have lights in the back as well. It needed only one new tire that we put on the driver's side rear, and beyond that, we've just kind of been enjoying it. So it's ready for a new home. By the way, our friend Zach will be glad to see Chief is here. This is a 2001 Suburban 2500 that we did a 3-inch lift on, and then after that, new wheels and tires, and so it's looking pretty good, driving pretty good, needs an alignment, but other than that, that's what we got. Stay tuned for our next video, and thank you for your support.